Ranjit Dash, a renowned Bangladeshi artist known for his poetic fusion of nature, humanity, and abstract expression, is not only a master of colors and forms on canvas, but also a soulful voice in the world of music. Celebrated as one of the Bangladesh distinguished contemporary artists, he paints with the same sensitivity and depth with which he sings. A devoted practitioner of Rabindra Sangeet, Runji's voice carries the timeless warmth and emotional richness of Tagore's melodies, while his hands create paintings that breathe poetry through color, light, and form. Whether standing before an easel or seated with a song, he channels a rare harmony between visual and musical art, each stroke and each note reflecting a life steeped in creativity, culture, and profound human connection. Ranjit Dash is a soulful artist who bridges the world of art and music with an extraordinary command over tone, expression, and texture. His voice carries a rare clarity. His each phrase flows with effortless control, allowing him convey the layered emotions embedded in Tagore's compositions. Ronji's vocality is not merely technical excellence. It is his passion, where his tone, breathe, and emotion merge into a seamless symphony, leaving his listeners deeply touched.